Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to change a Toyota Highlander side mirror. Start by parking safely and disconnecting the battery to prevent electrical issues. Remove the interior door panel, trim carefully with a trim tool to expose wiring and screws. Unplug the mirror connector, remove mounting bolts, and swap the mirror assembly. Reconnect wiring, test mirror adjustments, and reinstall trim securely. Take your time and keep parts organized for a smooth install. Begin by lowering the window for easier access and prying off the triangular interior trim panel gently. Locate and loosen the 3 mounting bolts while supporting the mirror from the outside so it does not drop. Carefully pull the mirror outward just enough to reach the electrical connector and depress the release tab before unplugging. Once unplugged, remove the remaining bolts and lift the mirror away. Keep bolts and clips safe for reinstallation. Position the new mirror assembly into the door opening and align studs with the holes to avoid cross-threading. Hand thread each mounting bolt to ensure smooth engagement, then tighten them evenly in a crisscross pattern until snug. Reconnect the electrical plug firmly and restore battery power to test mirror adjustments, heating, and turn signal functions if equipped. Verify proper movement and sealing, then reinstall the interior trim panel.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.